Welcome. This video guides you through checking your Seat Leon 4's infotainment software version and performing updates. Keeping your system updated ensures optimal performance, security, and access to the latest features. As of 2026, Seat uses over-the-air updates to help keep your car up to date. Updating your infotainment system provides access to new features and app integrations. It also optimizes system performance for a smoother experience. Updates address bugs and fix security vulnerabilities to keep your system safe. Seat now offers monthly patch releases to ensure your system runs smoothly and securely. To check your current software version on the Seat Leon 4, start by navigating to Settings on your infotainment screen. Then, select System from the menu. Next, choose Software Information. Finally, select Version to view your build number, such as Seat MIB3 v3.2.1. You can also check this information in the My Seat app by going to the Diagnostics section. There are two primary update methods for your Seat Leon 4 infotainment system: over-the-air OTA and USB dealer updates. OTA updates are the preferred method, utilizing a stable internet connection through Wi-Fi or your vehicle's SIM card. The system downloads updates in the background when the car is parked and prompts for installation during idle times. USB dealer updates are reserved for offline scenarios or major system overhauls, but are less common now, as OTA has become the standard approach. To perform an OTA update on your Seat Leon 4, start by ensuring the car is parked in a safe location with the engine completely off. This prevents any interruptions during the update process. Next, make sure your Seat Leon 4 has a stable internet connection. This can be through a Wi-Fi network or the vehicle's cellular SIM card, as OTA updates require downloading data wirelessly. Once connected, the infotainment system will download the OTA update in the background. This happens automatically when the car is parked and has sufficient battery charge. When the download is complete, the system will prompt you to install the update. This typically happens when the vehicle is idle, ensuring your safety by not interrupting driving. The installation process can take between 20 to 60 minutes, depending on the update size. Importantly, never start driving during this time, as the system needs to remain undisturbed for the update to complete successfully. The My Seat app now includes a dedicated update center, allowing you to initiate downloads remotely. This app, available on iOS and Android, streamlines the update process, enabling you to manage updates from your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the car. Some users experience connectivity problems, particularly in rural areas where network coverage may be limited. Seat is addressing this by partnering with telecom providers to improve 4G and 5G integration across their network. Before starting an update, ensure your vehicle's battery is charged to more than 50% to prevent interruptions. The update process will automatically pause if the car detects motion or if the battery level drops too low, ensuring safety during the installation. Looking ahead, Seat is transitioning to a subscription-based model for premium features, similar to other manufacturers. This includes services like live traffic updates for €5 per month. Industry forecasts predict 70% of new cars will adopt this software-as-a-service approach by 2030. Seat is adopting a subscription model for premium features, allowing owners to pay monthly for services like enhanced navigation and real-time traffic. This mirrors the industry's shift towards software as a service, providing flexibility and ongoing revenue for manufacturers. Future updates will incorporate AI-driven features, including predictive maintenance that alerts drivers to potential issues before they occur, and personalized infotainment that adapts to individual preferences and driving patterns. Cybersecurity remains a priority, with updates focusing on enhanced encryption methods, including symmetric and asymmetric keys, as well as one-way hashes. Future developments may include two-factor authentication and biometric verification for secure updates. Building on OTA update methods, the future promises fully autonomous infotainment systems with seamless cloud integration. Seat aims for bi-weekly minor updates, enhancing vehicle capabilities through continuous software evolution.